A new technology is promising a future of abundance, but some people are meeting it with violence.
For 200 years, technology has gotten a lot harder to break, but the people, they haven't changed a bit. And it feels like history is repeating itself. We're seeing firebombs and serious threats against AI leaders. Now, these aren't just one-off incidents. They're signs of a really deep public anger. So what's going on? Well, the whole conflict comes down to a huge contradiction in how AI is being sold to us. On one hand, AI is this friendly, helpful buddy, right? It's in all these cool gadgets we use every day. But then you hear AI leaders openly say their tech is going to wipe out entire categories of jobs. That kind of talk makes people feel like there's no place for them, like they have nothing left to lose. So to deal with this growing unrest, the AI industry has come up with what they think is a solution. They've been pushing this idea of universal basic income, or UBI, as a safety net for a world without jobs. OpenAI even put out a paper on it, kind of framing it as a new deal for the age of AI. But here's the thing. Critics say this isn't just a flawed plan, it's a dangerous misread of history. The original New Deal wasn't just some nice idea on paper. It was won through decades of violent struggle. Some even call this UBI talk symbolic violence, a way to keep power while looking like the good guy. If you look closely at the proposals, they seem to be all talk with no real commitments or action behind them. So the amount of actual money OpenAI committed in their New Deal proposal? A big fat zero. And get this, a study funded by Altman himself found that UBI doesn't really fix the core problems. This pushback is having a real impact. We're talking $162 billion in data center projects being blocked. So yeah, this is way more than a debate. A really powerful, organized opposition is already forming. All over the country, local, bipartisan groups are actually managing to slow down the AI industry's expansion. The industry thinks it's offering a real plan. The opposition, they see it as a total insult. And that leaves us at a really dangerous point. One side is offering ideas, the other is escalating action.